To import audio into Ableton Live, let's go through the steps together. First, navigate to the Options menu at the top of the screen. From there, scroll down and select Preferences. Once in the Preferences window, click on the Record Warp and Launch tab. Now ensure that the option labeled Auto Warp Long Samples is turned off. This will prevent Ableton Live from automatically warping longer audio samples. With that setting adjusted, we can now proceed to import our audio files. On the left side of the Ableton Live interface, locate the Places section. Click on Add Folder and navigate to the folder containing the audio files you wish to import. Make sure all the audio tracks you want to import are within this folder. Once you've added the folder, you should see it listed under Places. Click on the folder to reveal its contents. You'll now see a list of audio files within the selected folder. To add these files to your Ableton Live project, simply click on the first file, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last file to select them all. Now, while holding down the Control key or Command key on Mac, drag the selected audio files onto the Ableton Live timeline. Each audio file will be added to its own track. And that's it. Your audio files are now imported and ready to use in your Ableton Live project.